as English teachers, we have a perennial problem with getting kids to develop their inferences, I have created a visual aid or worksheet that you can put on the desk, laminate it, stick it down, called the Inference Ladder. It has a quote at the top. The quote at the top there is Charles Dickens from Bleak House, and as you go down the ladder, each rung has a deeper level of analysis that is prompted by individual questions that should prompt around a one-sentence answer. So for a lower prior attaining student, an SEN student, they can start at rung 1, which asks you about words. So what does the noun fog, what emotion does that give you? And then they can go down to level 2, which is mood, which might ask what is the atmosphere, overall atmosphere provoked by the quote. As you go down the ladder to rung 3, 4, 5 and 6, you will get deeper analysis. So for example, level 5 might start asking about sentence forms. So why is the minor sentence being used? What does that do to the pace of the extract? Why is the narrator third person omniscient? Does that produce a distance? What might the events of the fog foreshadow? If the fog represents something greater than the weather, what does it represent? And should prompt around a one or two sentence answer, and these should then be layered. So you might have, okay, you've answered something from rung 1, 2 and 4. When it comes to writing your analytical paragraphs, you can combine those sentences and create layered analysis, which is what the mark scheme and the examiners are looking for. It's the Inference Ladder. It's on my TES teacher educational resources shop, which I will link below. I hope you use it and find it great. There's also, I've got other ones from Christmas Carol, Jekyll and Hyde, Grapes of Wrath, Perfume, a load of different books. So yeah, here it is again. Word level. What emotion is implied by an adjective? Dirty. So this can be used for the students who have long-term absences, SEN students need a bit of encouragement with their confidence. Once they've done this, they can go down to looking at repetition, personification, then looking at shifts and contrast. It gets more complex as it goes down. It's a ladder, but you climb down it.